peppers, mushrooms. What is this? Pepperoni, salami, olives.
But what do I put on first?
First is the sauce, and your crust.
What is the sauce?
And your crust has to be made.
Is this sauce?
No, that's a pepperoni.
No, no, these.
Sure. That's gonna be a good pizza.
No, olives.
You like olives, huh?
No, these on top. No, pepperonis.
Wow, that's a tall pizza.
I'm going to cut it up.
You are.
Yeah. Here you go. Oh, I'm done with this one.
Oh, thank you so much. This pizza looks awesome. I think I gotta eat a piece.
You did this one.
Is this your slice?
It's slice. Now these pepperonis, that's like I did with yours. Now put these on top. And now what I do? Oh, yeah, I got olives. Now olives on them. This.
Do you like mushrooms?
No mushrooms right now.
No mushrooms for you?
No mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms.
Just lots of olives.
Yeah, because I don't need more olives. I'll eat a lot of olives. Because I like olives.
Ooh, that is a nice pizza.
Oh, I got nums. Nice pizza.
Good job.
Dip